Hey, this is me, and I found something interesting. Do you hear the bird tweeting? Oh no, baby bird. Don't be afraid, I want to rescue you. Let me try to find your daddy and mommy. Okay? Okay, the tweeting seems to be coming from this tree. Oh no, I see a cat here. Hello cat. I hope this cat is vegetarian. Look at the way it's eating the grass. Should I pick you up? Should I try to feed you? My son, you okay? Oh, careful, careful, careful. Okay, I'm worried because this cat is over here. Even though it's a very nice cat, I'm not sure what it's gonna do. This is like National Geographic